Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to decorate 5 gingerbread trees. Now let's open the gingerbread box. Now we are done opening. Now let's start decorating the trees.
पहले आप ये तो बताएं मान कि इसमें कितनी जिंजरब्रेड्स हैं और इसमें क्या कुछ है.
There's 5 gingerbreads and sprinkles and an icing.
आइसिंग ग्रीन कलर में है ना.
Yes.
आपके पास और है आइसिंग?
No.
ओनली ग्रीन.
Only green.
ओके. तो पहले कौन स्टार्ट करेगा?
I'll
मम्मी के
start
आप?
first.
You?
Yes.
ओके.
It was hard to use the icing.
No, it is not. It's not.
For me, it was
कैसे?
because when I squeezed it wasn't coming out, so I had to squeeze it hardly, and it's still coming. It was still not coming out, so I squeezed it much harder, and then it came out.
पर आप उसको ठीक तरह से पकड़ नहीं रहे थे, मुझे लगता है. नहीं?
I don't know, maybe, but it didn't make the decoration I want.
अच्छा, अब आप क्या कर रहे हो?
I'm putting my sprinkles on. So now, if you need more decorations and you put your sprinkles on, is okay. But
No,
now
my
it's
turn.
my mom's turn.
Yeah. मम्मी क्या बना रही है ऊपर?
It's like another Christmas tree to me.
Yeah, you're right. और नीचे मम्मी ने क्या राइट करने लगी
My
थी?
name.
माहन. और अब मैं ऊपर डालूंगी स्प्रिंकल्स. ये स्प्रिंकल्स ही हैं, माँ इसको क्या कहते हैं? Is it
They're
sprinkles?
sprinkles.
कैसे लग रहा है मेरा?
Good.
अच्छा.
Now it's my turn again.
Okay.
And you do the same. But now it's easier for me.
Really?
Yeah.
अब आप क्या बना रहे थे ऊपर?
It's a little easy. I was trying to like do something similar to yours.
Okay. और
But I think my last one I'm gonna do like a spider.
और ये क्या चीज़ है जो भी बनाया आपने?
I was trying to make like a circle there, and then like lines there. And now it didn't work, so I'm just starting putting my sprinkles on, and then it didn't happen, so I just did that. And now it's
मम्मी
my
की
mom's
टर्न आ
turn.
गई. फिर मेरी टर्न.
You're making a spider.
No, I'm not making a spider.
It looks like it to me.
No, it's like a star.
Yeah, but it looks like a spider to me.
No, ये स्टार है और साथ थोड़ा सा मैंने मेहंदी का स्टाइल भी डाल दिया ऊपर. देसी माम. तो
Now my mom is done doing the sprinkles. You have to like tip it over so all the ones that are not on the icing can come off.
अब कौन सा अच्छा लग रहा है? एक रह गया.
Now this one was the easiest for me.
Yeah,
because I could do the straight lines.
Yeah,
This is
you
what
learn a lot, Mahin.
This is the decoration I wanted to do. This is the decoration I wanted to do.
That's like a little bit like a spider. No?
Yeah.
Look at this.
It looks like
These
to
are like
me.
the lines and...
I do lines and then I'm making stuff inside of the lines.
ऊपर आप क्या करने लगे थे इसके?
I was about to put sprinkles, but I thought it was not enough.
No, बहुत ज़्यादा थी.
But to me, it wasn't enough.
नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. देखो, इतनी सारी तो हैं.
But to me, it
आप
didn't.
सारे अच्छी तरीके से देखो फिंगर्स के साथ पकड़ डाल रहे हो. एंड पे क्या किया?
I'm rolling my cookie on the sprinkles.
किधर से?
From the icing, I'm just smudging it.
ओ देखो क्या कर रहे हो. Wow, what a nice cookies, Mahin.
Like
It's gingerbread man? No, gingerbread tree. Yeah?
It's a gingerbread tree.
Wow, Mahin, well done, well done. Very good job, Mahin. You do very good.
Yours too.
Really?
Yes.
But I like your ones.
I like yours too.
आपने किस किस की बनाई थी?
The first one is for Shayan. The second one is Rahim's. And the last one is mine.
Okay.
Final cookie is almost complete. When it's complete, I am going to try a different cookie to test if I like it or not.
मैम मुझे लग रहा है ये थोड़ा सा आपका सिमिलर लग रहा है ना स्पाइडर वेब की तरह.
Yes.
तो आप स्पाइडर वेब बना रहे थे?
I want on my first and second I wanted to make a star one and a spider. But it didn't work, so I made the spider web.
Okay. और आपने ये लिया कहाँ से था?
Tesco.
Tesco से लिया था. कब लिया था?
A week ago in a night.
In a night. Okay, that's good. और अच्छा मुझे बताओ कि आप जो चैलेंज हमने किया इसमें आपका ज़्यादा नाइस लग रहा है या मेरा?
Mine and yours.
Which one is more better?
I think yours.
I think yours. Your one is more better than me.
Yes.
चलो अब टेस्ट करके कब बताने जा रहे हैं आप?
Wait, I'm gonna taste it later.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And like, and don't forget to leave a comment down below that says if my mom wins or me wins. If you think we both win, type TIE.
Oh, that's good. This looks yummy. Bye.
Bye.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.